Hey, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video we will talk about top ways to make money as a photographer. Photography is a very crowded space, with tons of shutterbugs offering their services for every single genre and price range. However, with the right amount of dedication and creativity, there's no doubt that you'll secure enough commissions to make a living, at least a modest one at the start. You also have the internet on your side. Today, it's easier than ever to create a stunning photography portfolio and promote it online to attract more clients. Here are some proven ways to make money as a photographer, and step up your business game. Number 1. Photograph small businesses. Nowadays, a business without a website is pretty much like a weekend without a lion. Restaurants, hotels, yoga instructors, they all have an online platform that they need to fill with beautiful images. This is where you come in and offer to photograph their stores, offices or teams. How do you find them? First and foremost, in real life. Number 2. Teach photography. Relax, the only math you'll need here is the rule of thirds, and it's far less intimidating than the rule of 3 you learned at school. With time, you acquire tons of valuable tips and techniques that other photographers would love to hear about. You can also give beginner classes for people living in your city, explaining the basics while transmitting your passion. Number 3. Sell digital or printed copies of your work. Everybody loves beautiful photography. For a long time, the possibility to acquire a piece of art was limited to a small circle of well-off individuals or companies. In the 21st century, more and more companies are offering high-quality shots at a very reasonable price. Number 4. Sell your photos on stock websites. If you have a sizable portfolio of images, you should consider selling them on stock sites. These platforms gather millions of pictures and videos, and sell them to businesses, marketing agencies and media. In return, the photographers receive a commission every time their work is downloaded. The amount per download depends on the platform. Number 5. Write a photography blog. Itching to reveal the Shakespeare in you? Start a blog. It will boost the SEO of your photography website, contribute to establishing you as an expert in your field, and last but not least, get you some cash. You have a few ways to make money with a photography blog. Number 6. Invest in your art. Making money out of a personal project is the holy grail of many photographers, if not all. In fact, it's considered a major factor on your likelihood to become a professional photographer. The road is long, and the results are highly unpredictable, since you never know how gallerists, curators and magazines will accept your work. But when fame knocks on the door. Number 7. Conduct photography tours and workshops. You know your hometown like the back of your hand? You might want to think of becoming a tour guide. But not any tour guide, a photography tour guide. Mass tourism has turned off a lot of people those days, and vacationers are always on the look for more authentic experiences. You can offer to lead them through the maze of your city. Number 8. Become a social guru. Is your Instagram hotter than Kim's? Like all of us, you started small with a few likes from your friends and your mom's comments under every post. That's my girl. Since then, you learned how to use Facebook like a professional photographer and you're now leading a nice empire of followers. It might not sound obvious, but it's something that you can leverage. Number 9. Shoot portraits. In an ideal world, you would have your own studio to shoot portraits. Fortunately, you can survive just fine without one. Many clients like outdoor location shoots, so you'll find many opportunities even if you're as freelancer as a bird. Try to be creative and don't only offer the classic passport pictures. That's it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side.